Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Milestone Credit Card. Open the web browser and search for a Milestone Credit Card. The Milestone Credit Card is designed for individuals with less than perfect credit who are looking to build or rebuild their credit history. Users appreciate the ease of getting approved and the ability to build credit without a security deposit. Common complaints include high fees and low credit limits, as well as occasional issues with customer service. Milestone offers a straightforward opportunity to build and access credit. It is specifically designed for those with challenging credit histories working to establish a solid financial foundation. It helps you build a payment history. You will use it wherever MasterCard is accepted in the US. It offers fraud protection in case your card happens to be lost or stolen. Milestone MasterCard provides the benefits you want in order to successfully manage and grow your credit. You have 24/7 access to your account so you can track your progress. Monthly payments were reported to 3 major credit bureaus. There is no security deposit required. Your money stays in your pocket. A milestone is a tool you use to achieve it. Whether you want to access credit now or plan ahead for the future, you will have access to credit when you need it. Use your card in the US wherever MasterCard is accepted. Overall, the Milestone Credit Card can be a useful tool for those looking to rebuild their credit. But potential users should be mindful of the associated cost and fees. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.